NAKIVO Backup and Replication is a fast, reliable, and affordable solution for protecting virtual environments. The product can be used for VMware, Hyper-V, or AWS EC2 infrastructures of any size and distribution. What is equally important is that your data protection options are not limited to VMs and EC2 instances. NAKIVO Backup and Replication also protects all your backup settings and lets you restore them in a few clicks. This video explains how the self-backup feature of NAKIVO Backup and Replication works, as well as shows how to configure self-backup and recover your settings in a new instance. Self-backup is an out-of-the-box feature of NAKIVO Backup and Replication that ensures that your system configuration, along with all the jobs and infrastructure components, is properly backed up. You can schedule self-backup jobs to run at specific times or simply run them on demand. The backed-up system configuration can be restored from the repository to a new instance in just a few clicks. You can also roll back to undo unwanted changes in the instance you are currently using. Let me show you how to set up and use self-backup. Go to Configuration, General tab, and select Self-Backup. Now, by default, self-backup is set to run once per day. You can change this to whatever is best for your environment. You can schedule self-backup jobs as often as you like, the same way you can schedule backup or replication jobs. Let's say you want to back up the system configuration every night after all your backups have finished. You can also customize which repositories the system backups are stored in. And, like any job, you can set the retention policy. You can also run self-backup on demand. This is useful if, for example, there is a scheduled power outage in 15 minutes. Now, suppose the VM running NAKIVO Backup and Replication goes down. This could happen for any number of reasons. Just run the 1-minute install of NAKIVO Backup and Replication on a new VM and have all the system settings imported. Here I have a new instance freshly installed. Input your credentials to connect one of your repositories. As soon as the repository is added, NAKIVO Backup and Replication automatically recognizes that there is a self-backup there and prompts me to restore. As you can see, all the prior settings are restored. Therefore, with self-backup, you can be sure that even if the VM running NAKIVO Backup and Replication is compromised, recovering all your settings is a breeze. Simply install a new instance, add a repository, and have all your settings recovered. View our other feature videos and download the free trial to try NAKIVO Backup and Replication for yourself in your own environment.